We are delighted to host the Developments in Macroeconomics and Microfinance workshop here at LU Leipzig. Of course, our students are invited to join the workshop and listen to the presentations, but even if they're not around, it is absolutely critical to us that our faculty members constantly engage with policymakers and other researchers from around the world so that the teaching at LU Leipzig is always informed by cutting-edge research.
It has been a very intense day of presentation by people from Lancaster University and by people from other institutions here close to Lancaster, the ECB and the Halle Institute, the Halle University. So I think it's a very good opportunity to exchange ideas with our colleagues here in Leipzig, but also with our colleagues here in Germany. So we had very good presentation, but also yesterday we had a pre-meeting before the workshop where we started to discuss about what we are doing for research, the PhD that we have in Lancaster that can spend some period of time here in Leipzig. So I think it will be a great opportunity also for exchange of students, and also we started to talk about research grant, so how to write together research grant, apply to Horizon grant or other British grants. So I think at any time you organize a workshop, you meet people, you strengthen your network, is beneficial for everyone, for a single person that present work, but also for the institution. And the more we are organized, and the more will be beneficial for all of us.
So the idea was to involve German economists from different institutions like the European Central Bank, Deutsche Bank, DIW and the IWH Institute in Halle, and bring them together with some of our colleagues in Lancaster to explore future collaboration, partnerships and improving our network in Germany.
I've been involved with Leipzig really right from the very start, because obviously at the beginning they had to appoint staff because there was nobody here, and this was actually during the pandemic, and I was on an interviewing panel, and the first economist that was actually appointed to Leipzig, Nea, who's still here, actually was a teaching assistant at Bailrig, and she certainly taught on one of my courses and she taught on many others, and we've been in touch ever since. And then more recently, a new lecturer, Vidya, who's got a strong research background in sort of health and labour, has been appointed. And one of my fellow professors, Kath, she's actually Vidya's mentor to help her forge her career while she's here at Leipzig. And we're also inviting Vidya to applied micro events that we have, either hybrid or in person at Lancaster. So we all hope to work more closely with her in the future.